Creating tutorial content sounds simple until you realize how much time gets wasted on editing. You record a tutorial, then spend ages cutting out mistakes, removing awkward pauses, cleaning up audio, adding captions, and trying to make the file small enough to upload. What should take a few minutes can easily turn into an hour, or even more. The good news? AI can handle most of that work for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple workflow that can take a raw screen recording and turn it into a polished video ready for social media. We'll be using a few AI-powered tools to automate the most repetitive parts of the workflow. This will help you to focus on creating content instead of spending hours editing it. I'll be using tools in the UniConverter, so if you don't have the tool yet, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. So first, click on the screen recorder tool. This screen recorder has a bunch of functions. We do have separate videos on covering it in a lot of detail, but for a simple tutorial recording, what you'll need to do is recording the full screen, obviously, that you can select right here. Then you'll also have to record a voiceover. If you have access to an external microphone, be sure to connect it to your computer or just use a built-in one. As an extra, you can also show up in your videos by turning on a webcam or a connected camera. Then just click on record and proceed with the tutorial. To stop the recording, just simply click on the stop button. Once your recording is complete, the next step is the cutter. Nobody wants to sit through long pauses, awkward silences, or moments where you're figuring out what to say next. With the cutter tool, you can quickly cut out those unneeded parts without opening heavier editors. Click on the cutter tool and import your video. Now, you can go through the video and split it each time a silent part begins and ends. Your segments will show up here on the list. Then just simply delete the silent part. Before you export a video, be sure to have Merge All Segments checked here. After exporting your file, your tutorial will be without the boring pauses. Next, we'll clean up the audio using the noise remover. This one's very fast. Open the noise remover and import your video. Choose an output folder and click on Export All. After the process is done, you will have your video without distracting noise in it. Okay, now we'll add captions using the Subtitle Editor. Captions make videos more accessible, easier to follow, and can help keep viewers engaged, especially on platforms where many people watch with sound turned off. Open the Subtitle Editor and import your video. On the right side, click on Auto Subtitle Generator. With this tool, you can generate subtitles in any languages regardless of the original language of the video. For this, you can use the Translate Subtitle feature here, otherwise the tool will automatically recognize the language of your video. Click on Generate. When the subtitles are done, you can give them a unique design and save them either burnt in on the video or as a separate file. Finally, we'll use the compressor to reduce the file size while maintaining a good video quality. This makes your videos easier to upload and share across platforms without taking up unnecessary storage space. Open the compressor tool and import your video. Here you can choose your compression settings. Choose between the three modes. For this instance, I think either prioritize quality or choose the AI mode at around 70%. Then just export the file. And honestly, that's it. Starting with a simple screen recording, we've removed unwanted pauses, cleaned up the audio, added captions, and optimized the file for uploading. Instead of spending hours editing manually, you can let AI handle the repetitive work and get your content published much faster. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, it really helps more people discover the channel, and let me know in the comments which part of the editing process takes up the most time for you. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.